Here are 9 beginner-friendly data analyst projects that can help you improve your skills and showcase your abilities to potential employers. If you like such stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO. 1. U.S. Market Analysis. Explore the New York Airbnb industry by importing and cleaning data from various sources. This project involves data extraction, cleaning, and formatting. 2. Word frequency in classic novels. Learn web scraping and natural language processing (NLP) by scraping a classic novel from Project Gutenberg, then analyzing the most common words. 3. Consumer sentiment analysis. Use Twitter data to study consumer sentiment towards a product or brand. This project enhances your data pre-processing, visualization, and research skills. 4. Sales data analysis. Analyze sales performance and trends for an online retail company. Explore product categories, customer groups, and geographic data, and create interactive dashboards. 5. Customer segmentation. Segment customers based on purchasing habits using RFM analysis and clustering methods. Practice feature engineering, unsupervised learning, and data pre-processing. 6. Movie recommendation system. Build a movie recommendation system using MovieLens data, incorporating collaborative filtering and content-based filtering. Enhance data exploration, modeling, and evaluation skills. 7. Credit card fraud detection. Detect fraudulent credit card transactions using Kaggle data. Handle imbalanced data with resampling and apply categorization algorithms. Refine data analysis, balancing, and supervised learning skills. 8. Stock price prediction. Predict a company's stock price using Yahoo Finance data, employing time series analysis and regression models. Improve forecasting, time series analysis, and data visualization abilities. 9. COVID-19 data analysis. Investigate the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on different nations and regions using data from our world in data. Explore pandemic indicators and compare responses. Hone data import, cleaning, and analysis skills.